These are the instructions for how to make a Bible bookmark. This is a craft that we did at our fall 2022 retreat. Here are the supplies that you'll need. You'll need cardstock, scissors, a measuring tape, ribbon of various colors, glue stick, and a cutting board is very helpful. First, you'll want to take your ribbon and measure out 15 inches. You'll cut 15-inch strips repeatedly until you have enough ribbons for every woman to have at least 4 ribbons in their bookmark. We opted to give our women lots of color options, so we cut extra ribbons in all sorts of colors so they can pick and choose to make the bookmark look the way that they wanted to. I found it helpful to line up each ribbon against itself rather than measuring each one out every time. Then gather up your ribbon, put them together in a bag. We did 1 bag for every table of women. We had 8 women at each table, and we did, I believe, about 8 ribbons of each color and 10 colors per bag. We encouraged our women to make one for a friend, or some had multiple Bibles and wanted multiple Bible bookmarks. I used a cutting board to print out the bookmarks that I printed on cardstock. You'll see our theme for our retreat was Cultivate, and I put the year on it as well, so when they take that out of their Bible someday, they will have a memory of a reminder of our retreat from that year. Before you assemble your bookmark, you're going to want to cut your bookmark down to size based on the spine of your Bible. This is most helpful to do if women have their Bibles with them physically, but if not, go ahead and encourage them to cut it down to size when they get home and they have their Bible with them. Once you've got your bookmark, you're going to fold it on the dotted line and apply some glue. We're going to take 4 ribbons and glue them side by side. You don't want them to overlap. About halfway into the cardstock, you want it to have a good hold on there. If necessary, add a little bit more glue so that it all holds together. And then you're going to add some more glue on top of all the ribbons so that will hold tight when you fold it over. Fold it over and press it well together, and you'll see you're almost there. The bookmark slides into the spine of the Bible between the outer cover and the bound pages. And once it's secure and all the way down in there, you can insert your ribbons throughout any pages that you'd like to read. You might want to have your women take one of your ribbons and mark the passage that you were studying during your teaching or your retreat. You'll want to trim off the ends of your ribbon. You can also keep your ribbon from fraying by using some special glue called Stop Fraying. I've linked to it in the notes. Just to sum things up, if you're doing this with a group, you're going to want to have 1 cardstock per person and a minimum of 4 ribbons per person. If you are doing them at tables, we found it very helpful to assemble everything together in a bag so women don't have to get up and move around the room. You'll want to put 2 to 3 glue sticks in each bag and 1 to 2 pairs of scissors in each bag. I hope you found this tutorial on how to make a bookmark helpful. If you're looking for women's ministry tips and ideas, be sure to check out womensministrytoolbox.com. Thanks for watching.